Hi, welcome back to Cooking Scriptures with Mom Shay. Today we're gonna be making chicken wraps. Yes, I say chicken wraps. Something easy, the family will love, the kids will like, and you ain't gotta make a lot of dishes. So before we do that though, we gotta get a scripture. Okay? Okay, today's scripture is if God gave you the business, He will give you the clients. So this is my business. I am gonna be a YouTuber who teach you how to cook. And I'm not just saying just cook anything. I'm gonna actually teach you because I am also in school for culinary. So I would like to put my skills to the test. So whatever I learn, I will teach y'all. When I make mistakes, just know that I'm learning to as I'm teaching you. So you can see in one of my other videos that I did post already that I made a mistake with my hand with cutting. So and now I corrected myself, but also you can see that this is also a career that takes time to learn also, just like every other career. And that's exact God gave me this business to start, and I'm excited to start it, and I am excited to go on this new journey with Him and Him directing my path and changing all my ways and sharing all my schemes that I learned from the world. So this is gonna be fun. It's gonna be interesting. It's been interesting already. We got our story time later, but it's been interesting already. But let's get to it, okay? Okay, so here we got the ingredients, you guys. So we have the wrap, we have a tomato, we have some cottage cheese, little chana, la chana. We have the ingredients. We got the ingredients over here. We got the la chana cheese, Mexican cheese. We got the tomato. We got the wraps, tortillas. We got the chicken, pollo. We got the lettuce. Okay, this right here, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. That was a salad. It's a lot of, like, it was a salad. But we're gonna put it in a wrap because I feel like making wraps for my kids instead. So we got the lettuce, we got the bacon, the cheese, extra cheese, the croutons. We'll crush it up and sprinkle it in there. We got the extra chicken. We'll just throw that chicken. And then we got the red sauce as a choice. Got the Caesar as a choice, because I think I'm gonna do the Caesar. And it got more bacon just in case I need more bacon. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put everything in the ice box to keep refrigerated. Then we're gonna go ahead and start with the chicken. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off by heating up the pan and added some avocado oil. Now with the chicken, you season it the way you want. These are chicken breasts. These is already, I like these already pre-seasoned, so that saves me some time and money. Honestly, it saves you some money getting seasonings that I don't have. So you got both. So this is my favorite skillet to cook in so far. And that's the little crescent moon and stuff. I think it's cute. It's like a little signature, like I've been used signature type thing. Cause I mean, if it ain't looking like this, then I don't know if you cook it. So we're gonna go ahead and add some avocado oil. We're gonna just drizzle it. And we're gonna cover it in it. Just enough to. Well, I ain't got much of it anyway. Sorry for my kids in the background if you can hear that.
Yeah, that's all I got. And get more than, that's what I mean. Save seasoning, you get the stuff that we need. And it's the avocado, all y'all got it. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and heat it up. We're gonna go 22, 370. Let it start heating up. Like I said, chicken breast is already seasoned, like the meat is already seasoned. So all I do is just go straight into cooking. But I'm gonna go wash my hands first.
Alright,
y'all.
so
I washed my hands.
while I'm getting the plan together, I just wanted to let y'all know in advance that I lost some footage. But yeah, your girl lost the footage. And I'm gonna have to redo this video all over again. But you've seen all the ingredients that I had. I did also my phone died, which was crazy because I had it charged up, but you know, technology these days, they just don't be cooperating. Especially when you're trying to do something good and better yourself, you just don't be cooperating. But the chickens was really good. Only thing is, I thought this was the chicken that I seasoned or cane seasoned, and it did not. So it tasted bland. So make sure you season your chicken. If you start sneezing, you season. So don't follow after me and eat some bland chicken, because when I tell you it was not up to standards, when I put the wrap together, it was not up to standards. And not just that, you know, I had to boil it down in some type of hot sauce and stuff like that, you know. So make sure you season your chicken. And your girl gonna redo this video all over again for you guys who want to actually see this. And also, the next time I do it, I'm gonna change some things around too, because there were some things that I didn't like that I was using, and I don't want to use it. So stay tuned with a redo of this video, and we're gonna make us some good chicken wraps. You probably fried, not fried. Yeah, fried. We probably fried some chicken wraps and get it going. I'll show y'all how I fry the Louisiana with, cause look, everybody cook different. But I don't know, something about home and the buttermilk chicken, like it's muy bien. It's fantastical type thing. So I'm gonna bring y'all a whole new video. Just be waiting for your girl. I got a lot of videos, ideas that I need to start executing out of my head. So I'm gonna get that video. To y'all sooner than later type thing. And more cooking videos coming soon, and more culinary school videos coming soon, especially my carrot one. Since I'm ending my week 1, I am going to be posting my carrot chopping video on here, and after that we're going to be getting ready for week 2, so that's going to be new. But stay tuned. Them chickens looking beautiful.
You got them cooking in real time. Like, some I might edit, but right now I'm taking it as the other side, a slow process. Like, I'm really taking my time with this. So we're gonna do our videos always gonna be in real time. Now you see like some parts over here that's like I stopped recording because I thought they had to go tend to my kids or something like that. Okay, so since we ain't got no more avocado oil, you guys put that in there. I'm gonna do my avocado. I do have some vegetable oil. I did see that. So we're gonna add a little bit more oil. I would add butter, but I don't know. Why did I pour it over there? I'm crazy. Alright, we're gonna turn this back up now. So the cook. So I'm gonna put it back on 270. Get it heating back up. Crack and whacking. Add a little bit more oil. This really probably gotta put something more. Yeah. I'm gonna put a alright, it's sizzling and popping. It ain't stopping. And we go 20, so maybe I'm gonna put it back to simmer. And then cook a little bit more. Let's see. And I'm looking like, definitely. So we're gonna cook a little bit more. Put that back over. Cook this, let that sauce cook a little bit more. Y'all let it cook on 220. This thing, it was very well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Gracias.